animal egg hunt. Here is how to play this activity with your young English language learners. So what you'll need for this activity are some colourful eggs, just like these, that you can open and close. Inside, what we're going to put inside them are some animal flashcards and some candy. Now, I recommend some mini chocolate eggs, but I ate all of mine. My students ate some and I finished them off, so I have some candy instead. So we're going to open up, prepping before your lesson. Open up the eggs, fold up an animal flashcard. Here, for example, I have bear. Fold it up, put it inside the egg, put a couple of sweeties, cut a bits of candy inside, close it up, and you're all ready to go. Have your students seated in a circle and have two students either with a blindfold on or tell them to close their eyes and put their head down so they can't see what's going on. Have another student that you're going to choose and they are going to hide one of the eggs around the classroom. Then have the other two students open their eyes when everybody is ready, and the objective of the game is for them to go and hunt for the animal egg. But the other students can help them by giving them some clues. So if the children are far away from the egg, they can say, oh, cold, cold. If they are near, they can say, warm, warm. And if they are very close to the egg, hot, 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 hot. So that means that they can hold each other's hand, go and look for the egg. When they have found it, you can ask them, what colour is it? It's yellow and purple. Open it up. What's inside? Oh, they open it up and they say, what animal is it? And they tell you what animal is on the flashcard. And that's it. Play again with other students and other students looking for the egg, the animal egg. Give it a go. Let me know how you get on. And remember, be theatrical.